Okay, back again, part 2 with fixing the laptop. I really don't think this is going to be a problem here, because it looks like that wire came from there, and this, well, it's on there pretty good, so it must have to be there. And if you notice, you want to see something crazy, it still has power. So that means there's still hope. Let's see what we can do here. I need something to get into there. Hold on a second. Don't know if this is going to work or not. Alright. Take the battery out. It's important. This battery is recyclable. It says replace with HP spare. Unfortunately, I don't have an HP spare, so see you later. Alright, what else we got here? This needs screws. I am not a patient man. So, wait a minute. Are you kidding me? There's an 800 number on here. 2 800 numbers. I think I'm going to call them and see if they can walk me through putting this back together. Because somehow I think I missed a step. I think. Not 100% sure. Alright, well, more later.